How would you like to get access to a brand new, recently released free funnel that allows you to generate commissions anywhere from $10, $50, even up to $100 per customer, plus monthly residual income? If you're someone that wants to create a full-time residual income online, stick with me towards the end of this video because I'm going to reveal exactly how this can help you do just that and how this is helping brand new people to do the exact same thing, which I'll of course get into in this video. So before we dive in, if this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, tap the bell icon, and this will be notified of all future videos that I release on this channel. I'm always putting out new videos talking about different ways that you can create a full-time income online, specifically through affiliate marketing, and I talk about different programs that help you do just that. And I also release free training on this channel. I have free training series that you could check out any point on this channel where I talk about exactly how to market different programs, which in my case, one of them is this exact program, the Savings Highway Global program, which, by the way, if any point in this video you want to check out and learn more about Savings Highway Global, you can go to this first link down below. It'll take you right over here. And when you opt in, it'll take you over to the video that'll explain more about the benefits of this program, and why so many people are getting, success with it, all the benefits, and pretty much all that stuff, everything you need to know, this video will pretty much explain, right? So you can check it out down below anytime that you want. Otherwise, if you're here to learn about the new funnel that's been released, then of course stick with me in this video, right? So this funnel right here that you're seeing has just recently been released, and this has the Our Team logo on it, which is the funnel team. So it has that right on there. And the benefit with this funnel right here is, considering that this has just been recently put together by 7-figure earners, this is something that is high converting for people who are brand new, right? So you as a complete newbie can plug into this exact funnel. You can get access to the exact same capture page, the exact same sales video, and also another really cool part about this is the email follow-up is completely done for you. So when you market your capture page link, you don't have to worry about following up with the people that opt in to learn more, as this system does all of that for you. And it has a very high converting email follow-up sequence in place that will get people who haven't bought on the first exposure. It'll get them back to this page multiple times over and over again. And as you're probably well aware, the average person needs to see something 6 or 7 times in order for them to pull out their credit card and actually sign up to the program, right? So that's the benefit right here. Right now, you can get access to this entire system any point when you get started down below with Savings Highway Global through the link down below. So when you go through this entire funnel right here and you get signed up with by clicking right here and you set up your account, you will of course get access to this funnel as well as a really cool bonus that I want to go over in this video, right? So something else that'll make this even better for you is that if you're someone that wants to create a full-time income online, and let's say that you're someone who is completely brand new to this, you don't really have much marketing experience, and you don't really understand how to get traffic, how to get customers over to your capture page link, then I've got a really cool bonus that is going to help you to maximize your earnings with this, right? So like I mentioned with the email follow-up being done for you, your main goal with this, when you have access to this capture page, is getting traffic over to your link, getting customers to visit this page, opt in, and from there, the system, the video, the email follow-up takes care of everything else for you on the back end, right? So by getting good at driving traffic over to this page, the more clicks you get here equals more opt-ins. The more opt-ins equals more people seeing the sales video. The more people seeing the sales video equals more potential revenue. And of course, the more follow-ups equate to even more potential revenue on the back end, right? So with all that being said, this bonus that I want to give you is going to, this is going to be a exclusive team training site that you're getting access to. And the benefit with this is that this includes training from multiple 7-figure marketers that show you exactly how to market your business online, right? So this shows you everything from how to set up your links, how to set up your funnel links right there. This shows you how to get in the right mindset, how to set goals, how to know your audience. This talks about how to set up a forwarding domain, how to promote using short form social media, so TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, all of those platforms are in here. How to direct message and get sales that way. This also talks about Facebook, YouTube, paid traffic as well as in here. And then also talks about other things you could do after you refer someone, which is really great, right? Now, the benefit with this is that this training has been put together by 7-figure earners who have done extremely well in this program, and you get to follow exactly in their footsteps pretty much what they're doing. Now, in addition to all of this, what you're also going to get access to is a exclusive team Facebook group. This is a private Facebook group where if you have any questions, anything that you want additional help on, if you have a question that you want to ask, you could simply just create a post right here. Simply create a post and write, hey, my question is blah, 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 right? You could just post that in there, and then one of the members in here will, of course, get back to you with an answer. And on top of all that, another bonus that you'll get when you join via the link down below is you're also going to get access to exclusive team trainings that they host every single Tuesday. So the Teachable Tuesdays are every single Tuesday at 8 p.m. Eastern or 7 p.m. if you're in my time zone. And these are really beneficial as you could really get on a Zoom call with the members. So Daniel Kump, Kirsty Snyder, John Artsberger, these are 7-figure earners, as well as myself, soon to be 7-figure earner as well. I'm on these Zoom calls as well, and you can literally interact with any of us, ask us any question. We literally give you additional training to help you maximize your results with this program. And of course, another really cool thing that I want to share is if you're watching this video in the month of August 2022, there's a really cool contest going on and really cool bonuses that is going on right now where the bonus commissions have been doubled, right? So typically when you refer 3 members who join at the titanium level here, you would normally get up to $500 in total, right? However, it's been bumped up to where the additional $200, in addition to the $300 that you get from the 3 titanium sign up, has been doubled to where instead of getting $200, you get an additional $400, which allows you to earn up to $700 just for referring 3 titanium members, which is really great. Also, there is the platinum bonus, which when you refer 3 members to join at platinum, you earn $350 in total, which is really great. And also, you're able to earn up to $5,000 in cash prizes when you, of course, earn when you place in certain levels in their leaderboard, right? So for the month of August, they have the up to $5,000 cash you could earn, as well as a bunch of other really cool things like a curved monitor, Blue Yeti microphone, Logitech camera, also a free event ticket to one of their events, which is coming up in October of this year. You could attend that. And these bonuses, I mean, there's tons of them that you get for the pretty much the top 10 levels, which is really great, right? So definitely a lot of stuff that they're giving away, which is another really great reason to join in on this program right now. And of course, you could join via the link down below. Now, with all that being said, I've shown you all the cool benefits. I talked about the bonuses. And now at this point, what you're going to want to do is if you see an opportunity for yourself and you're someone that really wants to create a full-time income online, plus you're also someone that wants to potentially save money as well, which is another benefit of here, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the first link down below. That will take you right over here. You'll want to simply watch this video to, see exactly, why this is converting so well. And then right here is where you can set up your account with this program. Right now, what's going to happen is it's going to take you right over to this page where you could choose what level that you want to get started with. So you could either join as little as $20 a month for the gold level, or you could do $100 for platinum, or the $200 per month level for the titanium level, right? Now, all these levels right here, you could do very well with all 3 of them. However, what my number 1 recommendation is if you're someone that really wants to earn a full-time income online, if you're serious about creating a full-time income, replacing your job income, going full-time online, having more freedom to spend time with family, travel more, all those benefits, what you're going to want to do is come in at the highest level, at the titanium level. And the reason I recommend this is, of course, number 1, you have the maximum savings benefits as well as the earning benefits. So these bonuses that I showed you right here that you get for referring a certain number of members are only available at the titanium level, right? So if you want to get paid more for the same amount of work that you're putting in anyway, if you're going to put in the work to market this program, why not earn the maximum earnings possible, right? And so for that reason, you want to come in at this level. Now, the main reason I recommend coming in at the highest level possible is mainly a mindset thing, right? When you come in at a higher level, you have more skin in the game, you tend to take it much more seriously, and subconsciously, the level that you join in at is where you value yourself, right? So if you only value yourself at, $20 per hour or $20 per day, then the gold level might be good for you. However, if you're someone that really values yourself and you really believe that you can get phenomenal results with this program, this funnel, and all the amazing bonuses that I showed you right here in this video, then it's a no-brainer to come in at the titanium level. And of course, another great thing to think about is you're for just 4 people at whatever level that you come in at, and your membership is free. You don't have to worry about paying the monthly payment. So if you're for 4 people in your first month, there's a very good chance that this $199 payment might not even be a monthly payment. It might only be a one-time payment, which of course, at that point, once you've referred 4 members, then you will see that, you'll of course be able to experience all the benefits right here, the earning benefits, and of course, everything else that you make after that is of course profit to you, right? And of course, it's monthly residual income, and you get all the bonuses and all the other amazing stuff that you get with this level right here. So with all that being said, if you see an opportunity for yourself and you are ready to create a full-time income online, go ahead, go to the first link down below. And when you get signed up, what you want to do is I'm going to have either a link down below where you can contact me on Facebook Messenger, or there's going to be a number on screen you could text. Let me know that you've signed up. Send me the email that you signed up with. And what I'll do is I'll go in my back office, see that you signed up, and once I see that you signed up under me, what I will do is I will get you the link to this training. I will get you plugged in, and that way you can start going through this, and of course you can get plugged into the community, and you could also start attending their weekly training. So with that being said, if you have any questions before we're getting started, you could drop them down below. Otherwise, give it a thumbs up if you found this helpful, and let me know if you're fired up down below, and of course I'll see you on the inside. Take care and all the best.